Hello, boys and girls. So this is my setup for this lab. I have two stage lights here that make red, green, and blue light using LEDs. If you notice, only some of the LEDs are lit because only green is on. Only some of the LEDs are lit because only red is on. I am projecting onto a white sheet, and my shadow is a bunch of fun colors right now because I'm partially blocking red light and partially blocking green light. And if I get out of the way, the color becomes yellow. It's a little bit hard to see in the camera because the camera is adjusting colors so that it tries to make everything as white as possible because that's what cameras do these days. But in the room, that is exceptionally yellow. You'll just need to believe me. The next one works really well if we have red and blue. So I'm going to turn the green one off. And I'm going to then turn on the blue lamps, right? So I'm currently shadowing the blue light, and then I'll shadow the red light. And if I get out of the way, it turns purplish. The proper color for that is magenta. Magenta is when you combine red and blue lights. It is magenta. Magenta. Alright, so then red plus yellow. So if we remember, red and green were yellow. So red and it's hard to put these switches in the dark. Green makes yellow. There you go, that's as yellow as it can get. So red and green is yellow, and if I add in the blue to the red and green, we get another yellow that is an exceptionally pale yellow, almost white in the room, but it is still yellow. Okay, we then need blue and green. So I'll just turn this one all the way off. We have blue and adding green to it. Hard one to reach. Okay. Silly switches in the back of these things. There's a green. There's two greens. Alright, so if we have blue and green together, it makes a color called cyan. Again, on the camera, it's trying to make it white, but it is definitely an interesting shade. Cyan. Cyan. C-Y-A-N. It's a greenish blue. But yeah, cyan is the proper color of that one. Then we need blue and yellow. And yellow was green plus red, right? So if I get green and I reach behind and I add red to it, I have yellow now. Oh, that looks pretty yellow in the camera. So yellow plus blue is white. That is actually white in the room. You can see, you can hopefully see a little bit of yellow over there and a little bit of blue over here, so you can see that they are both on. Oh, and around my foot, my shadow is split. So that is what yellow is, and that's what blue is, and then white. That's a better comparison. Maybe I should put my foot in all of them. That's blue and yellow. Green and yellow. We have yellow going on, so I'll turn off the blue. And we have... all these switches are so tiny. There's one green, there's two greens. That's full blast green and full blast yellow. And we get... it's still mostly yellow. It's still mostly yellow. It is a greener yellow, but... oh, there you go. So you can see the comparison between the yellow that is the shadow of my foot, so that's the original yellow, and the yellow that's just past the green on the other side. They're pretty darn the same. It's still yellow. So that's green and yellow is yellow, but red and green and the blue, when you put all of them together, we get white. So there you go, white and white. So your TV, your cell phone or your parents' cell phones, most of the lights that you see in concerts these days are RGB LEDs. If you add red plus blue plus green, you can see on the little rim that it's red and green and blue when it's this close. But as they blend together, it is pretty clearly white. So there you go. That is how mixing colored lights work.